guys, Kimberly here with the Artistic Frog, and I wanted to come to you today and show you what I received in the mail from Dharma Trading. This is kind of a second part video here. I went through all of the blanks that I received from Dharma, and let's just see. If you've never received any die from Dharma or any of the other companies for that matter, there is definitely a safe way to package and send these. Let's go ahead and just pull this out and show you. They do put these in bags. And then the die has electrical tape around the top of it, so hopefully in the shipping there's no accidents. It does happen, but Dharma Trading, they do everything that they can for that not to happen. This is strong navy. I like that color a whole lot. These are Procion MX dyes. They're professional dyes. This is the Fuchsia Red. So far so good. This is the turquoise. And the deep purple. It's right over there. Wow, that one didn't get tied very tight, but it looks like everything is good. This is Atomic Fireball. And we have Kelly Green. Stuck there. And we have Lemon Yellow. And a deep orange. Also got some smaller ones here. Let's go ahead. Wow, these are just, ties are not on there very well, but they are holding. So that's good. This is the Better Blue Green. I've not tried that one before. These smaller ones, Royal Blue, these are all ones that I have not used in the past. Azure Blue, Terracotta, Rust Brown, and Teal Blue. Now, those don't have any of the electrical tape on them, but they're good. Wind's been gusting today, so I'm going to chase these down. All those together there. Okay. And Dharma did a real good job of quickly getting this order out to me. This is the Aqua Maroon, Brazil Nut, Deep Yellow, Blueberry. Uh-oh, that one. It's the reason why I have these gloves on, y'all. Don't know if you can see that or not, but there is dye that has escaped there. So I did bring a rag out here, but not a wet rag. The lid's on that good, but for whatever reason the color is coming from somewhere. So I'm actually gonna leave those two in this bag, and And since I already grabbed the other two, I'll just wipe down everything before I take all of this out to the studio. But you can kind of see there's loose dye in that bag. Set that off over there. So I need to pay better attention. That one looks good. And I do have a little bit of that dye on my gloves now, so I'll have to do my due diligence and wipe all of these down real good. Nightshade, Mermaid's Dream. I'm really excited to see that one. Ultraviolet, Powderberry, Red Wine, and Wasabi. Okay, here's one that may look like it has a little bit of dye in it, so I won't open that. This is sea glass. That's going to be pretty. I just wanted to do this in case there's some of you out there that had not ordered any of these professional dyes and had them shipped to you. Raspberry. Make sure that that is. I got the tip to do this outside from one of the tie-dye groups on Facebook. I do a couple of tie-dyes, ice dyes. I really enjoy the ice dyes and the incline dyes and things like that. But somebody said you need to be sure and open these outside, and I never thought about that because I never had any problems with Dharma, but she has no control over the shipping on these and how they boxes get thrown around and all of that. So this is an Alpine Blue. So we'll always try to start doing this outside and wipe all of these down very well before I take them inside to the studio. I do not mix my colors inside the studio. I do make sure that I go outside, and please, 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 y'all, if you're using these Procion dyes, use a mask, use a respirator, not just some little dust mask. Can be very dangerous. Cayman Island Green. And we got avocado. Forgot I ordered that one. Amethyst. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. Get it started. Cerulean Blue. Peacock Blue. Can't wait to get my new glasses so I can get started with these. I haven't been able to see since February. Surgeries and all kinds of things going on. So protect your lungs, protect your eyes. My eye problems have nothing to do with these dyes, but please be aware these are very, very fun powder dyes. Electric Blue, Chinese Red, hot out here today. New Emerald Green. Got this stuck on there real good. Brilliant Blue. I've had that in the past. Used almost all of my Brilliant Blue. Robin's Egg Blue. That's a pretty color. Daffodil. Okay, so this is moss green, eggplant, indigo blue, fire red, jade green, and midnight blue. Don't know why I got such a small midnight blue, but maybe they were out of the larger sizes. Okay, so we have grape and timberwolf and dragon fruit, and granny apple, wedgewood blue, and black cherry. I don't see that there's any problem with these bags. I'm just, for time's sake, just going through them. We got hot pink, ice blue, blue abyss, and bird blue. That over there. And I think this is the last one. Peanuts, peanuts, more peanuts. Okay, so we got the mushroom color. Not real sure how to pronounce that one. Raven, orange crush, and Bahama blue. So that's all that we have. I do have some of the dyes that I had from a couple of years ago, but I'm just now getting back into all of this again, so I'm excited. Y'all stay tuned. Try to do some more videos for you, and we'll see if we can't get started on some batiking. Y'all have a blessed day, and God bless. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.